pretty amazing though how much brakes slow you down. I mean, it's only 2 of them. Come on now, truck, just pull through it. So Jeremy thinks he's gonna be able to just jump in this thing and get her out. So I'm gonna start the 90 up over here, and we're gonna use that to pull it out, because I don't think we're gonna get into this. As I say that, Jeremy drives out of the holes, so the brakes must have finally just let go and released. For some reason, I'm really good at not having the camera on when stuff comes out of the hole, so sorry. All right, so what the plan for today is to actually tear the whole front of this tractor apart so we can get back behind that balancer back there. This is a big pulley right there, that big one. Anyways, we gotta do the front main seal on this, so we gotta get down to that and change it. And as you can see, it's leaking pretty decent. I mean, that's overnight. That it has some oil drips and stuff like that. So we want to get that taken care of. So when it's go time, we don't have to stop and try to fix this because it's just dumping oil out. All right, so the issue we're running into is the harmonic balancer is stuck on the crank, and we don't have the right puller to get it off. So either we're gonna try to pry it off with the pry bar, or we're gonna have to make our own puller to do that. So hopefully Jeremy can just have it just fall right off. It looks like you're moving the whole crank when you do that. Yep, I think we're gonna have to make something, aren't we? Which one? All right, so right now we're trying to figure out which way the seal goes on. It goes on like this here, if it goes on this way or what. So I messaged the guy to see who actually does this every day. So I messaged him to see what he says, which way he thinks it should go. We got different opinions. We got 3 guys saying different things, so we're gonna find out. So right now we're gonna tear the air tank apart and figure it out. What's going on with this? The tank, this front tank here on the trailer, I think it's starting to rust out on this end, so we're gonna tear it off and put a new one on. Finally nice out, might as well take it for a rip. Alright, so we're back over here at the 96. Jeremy pulled the batteries out of this the other day. If you watched actually I haven't posted that video yet. But in the last video, you'll see that I tried to start this truck and it didn't want to start, so we think it might be the batteries, it might be the starter, I'm not sure, but we're gonna switch these out and put we charged them is what we did. We didn't switch them, but we charged them up at the shop. We're gonna put them back in and see if it fixes the issue, and hopefully it starts. That'll be sweet. All right, so Mark's gonna try starting this thing quick. He's gonna jump up in it and let's see if it makes a different noise than it did before. Nope. See, I think we got a bad starter on this truck, and I don't know what we're gonna do about it. So hopefully we don't have to like pull start it or something like that, because he's gonna take this truck over, get a load of seed oats, and I just want to make sure it was all cleaned out by the looks of it. I'm gonna open the door up. Well, actually, I'll probably crawl down in there and get that little bit of corn knocked down. And then I'll open the door up so it scrapes it clean and it'll be ready to go. Figured since we're out, we do some field scouting to see if it's workable yet. You know, right there does not look workable. But really and truly, it's not that bad out here. I was expecting much worse. There's a low spot right through here, so it just kind of runs right over there. But I also know we got some dirt piles to knock down out here in this field. I don't know if you can even see those. So muddy of a windshield. Yeah, those are the dirt piles we got to knock down. We're actually, I think what the plan is to push them right over and fill this low spot in. So we'll see if we make it to that. If it ever were to quit raining, we'd be able to do that. But who knows? Supposedly it's gonna rain some more here this coming week. This weekend, eh? All right, so I don't know where I left off of this, but I did get the seal on. It seems to be maybe the right way. We thought this was supposed to be a speedy sleeve that goes on, but I guess not. I don't know. Who knows? Seems to fit. Seems right. I think it's an install tool for you slide it on and then you work your seal onto it, and I don't know, it seems to work, so I'm not gonna complain. I don't think it's supposed to be on there. It didn't really feel like it needed a speedy sleeve, so we're just gonna leave it at that.